Hey everyone, thanks again for tuning in for another video. If you are new to the channel, check out my most popular videos on my channel page and just simply sort by most popular. That will bring you to a list of videos people are watching over and over to learn what I'm sharing. All right, let's get into it. I think we can all relate to this. You had $1,500 and now you have 10 cents. Holy 10 cents. Trust me, this is going to happen. So, there are some things that you can do. I'm here to tell you that there are 3 common reasons for blowing your account. You watch some dude say that you can go from $2 to $5,000 in a matter of 6 minutes. And you immediately assume this is what I'm going to do. If there is anything that I have stressed on this channel is to always create a trading goal or a plan, right? Figure out how much money you want to make. Now, I give you an entire blueprint on how to get there step by step. You don't have to use $1,000. You can maybe use $50 or $100. But check the ebook because I'm always dropping the gems and I want to share my information. You'll be very surprised. The next thing. Often when we blow our account, it means that we have let our emotions get the best of us. Over trading. Of all of the people that I have chatted with, and we're doing full transparency here, folks, I have shared that my best in terms of trades is 25 trades back to back, all wins. Is this good? Absolutely not. And I'll tell you why. Because at first, when you do get on the platform, you find yourself wanting to go trade after trade after trade. This is considered over trading. And it does get the best of us. So you have to learn to scale back. Consider taking only 1 to 3 trades a day. Start making a plan each day for your trading session. Now, let's move on to confirmations. I spoke on this before. Get those confirmations. No matter what strategy you're using, make sure that they line up. If you're using an EMA or an SMA, you're still using lines with that indicator that helps you to get to the trade and have a little bit more confidence that you're going to win it. Confirmations are a must, and you need to make sure you are always getting them. And here is a bonus tip. Don't have unrealistic goals. No, you're not going to go from $5 to $5,000 in about 20 minutes. Especially if you just get on the platform. Absolutely not. You have to consider, okay, look at the strategy and say, how can I apply this to my trading session that meets all my goals and the plans that I have mapped out? So, all you can do is have another go at it. Top up, move on, and expect to lose, but you're going to keep your focus. I'm only doing multiple trades here as an example. And the best strategy, I think, to get me back on track is using that 200 EMA. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you get my videos each and every day. Smash that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.